Okay, stop ta at the Orient Express. Kaya nag-request inyong yaya o rice. Kay mga bata, they requested the Euro sandwich. Tapos si dad, nagkuha si dad og ayun na siya. Yee, thank you daddy. Nagkuha siya og pizza na ako guys, gakuan ko, I have a problem of depositing. So too much bread sa kuha is not really good. So yep. That's just how it is. Tapos maka-rice, yeah. Design na akong rice for today.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Dad, why is this wet, Dad?
Thanks, babe.
That's wet.
Okay, dito na ako magkaon sa kuan.
Good job. You noticed it.
Post office na lang kay. Ay, gutom na kanyang yaya.
Power on.
Sana yung oras, alas 1:38 PM na. Mapatay pamahaw. Ako, mapani akong pamahaw. Brunch. 14 dakuha po, daan nila buwing. What is this? Ay, pak ganern.
It's like double size, huh? That's two times
This is
in
for
the
until tomorrow. Grabe sila mga servings
It's
dire
a
ba?
bring house sa US.
Pak ganern nila pang bring house dire ba? Tapos fried rice, chicken fried rice. Mula kong request na chicken fried rice and lo mein. Ay, kakaulo na kay ko. Pero, ay, basta mga laba itong rice. Ano ba? Walay fork lagi.
You need a fork?
Nari daw.
You make do with the hands? Hey, lo mein with your hands and put it in the...
Let me just kinamo. Yeah, hands. Finger licking good. Hala, the house in there ba, like, hindi na siya? Balay ni pudra sa unang. Veggie lo mein with steamed rice. Left side. What happened? I forgot again. Okay. Good thing I'm not conductor. We'll get it off.
How about you guys? You want one?
I don't want it. It's hot.
We're just gonna take it back later or tomorrow, babe. It's fine.
Okay. Chicken fried rice with crab rangoon also.